Good morning. My name is Patricia Hu, and I'm the Director of Bureau of Transportation Statistics at the U.S. Department of Transportation. I have the great honor to chair ITF Roundtable on Big Data and Transport Models. The scope of the Roundtable was to explore the value of big data in complementary or replacing traditional travel surveys, reflecting how many trips people make to which destinations using which mode or combination of modes. The participants represented 28 different organizations from 14 member countries. They brought diverse perspectives to the table, including transport planners, public sector decision makers, data scientists, the academia, and technologists. These diverse perspectives contributed to extremely robust, engaging, and thought-provoking discussions. Major conclusions and recommendations from the roundtables are: the value of big data to complement or replacing traditional travel surveys seems clear, but there are a lot of challenges need to be addressed. The challenges include data sharing agreements. For example, how to make data collaboration less painful. Data quality and biases. For example, how to handle phantom trips. Data privacy protections, model validations, modal assignments, and trip purpose determinations. Before these challenges can be addressed, the group concluded that the big data are not quite ready to fully replace traditional travel surveys. That said, big data bring tremendous value to complement traditional travel surveys. Furthermore, big data bring values to model validations. A summary report will be forthcoming with detailed documentations on the roundtable's discussions and recommendations. Thank you.